I came to Barrett Sotheby's International Realty with about almost 4 years of experience, and I had done well there. I just was approached through mutual connections in the industry and introduced to Barrett Sotheby's International Realty. And what really kind of changed and made me make the switch was that I saw that they were doing all the things that I really enjoyed about my boutique firm. So a high level of branding, a very service-oriented white glove approach. Barrett Sotheby's International Realty was that times 10. And so I had more resources, more agents, more opportunities. And I felt like the agents that I spoke with felt very supportive, collaborative. I felt like we all would work as a team together. Recently, 3 of my listings had Barrett Sotheby's International Realty agents on the other side as buyer agents. And I think that that kind of elevates the experience of the transaction. So we really can put our clients first. And it's just nice to be able to have access to that network of professionals and know that you'll have a successful outcome. Sotheby's has a reputation. We talk about the blue signs in the yard. It's almost like a hallmark, like a Tiffany or something like that. And so there's an initial trust, and that gets leads. That's what made me take the plunge, and I have no regrets. I'm very happy about it.